Silkytreat Channel Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 20 minutes start to finish. Chocolate mousse. Ingredients: 200 grams of dark, quality chocolate, 30% fat fresh whipping cream, salt, sugar. Preparation: in a double boiler pot, one with boiling water and one smaller one with the chocolate. Let the chocolate melt and remove from the stove once melted. In a big bowl, insert the fresh liquid cream 1 liter, or less, a pinch of salt and whip until you get to the hardened consistency. Add 2 spoons of sugar and whip again. Insert the melted chocolate. I use dark chocolate, but you can use white chocolate too. Whip all the ingredients and done. You can use right away as the whipped cream came from the refrigerator. You can decorate with a little whipped cream and a fresh mint leaf. You can refrigerate the unused mass. It will be good for a few days as no eggs or butter was used in this recipe. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.